All right, so let's turn this plain old boring monitor into an LED monitor. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open these up. We're gonna set them up in the back of this actual monitor. So if you guys can see the LED lights, they're all within the actual system. So all of them are set up already. They're pre-set up already, and I just got to do is program them. So we're gonna go ahead and test them out so you guys can see in the darkness. If for some reason you put in the cables or the LED the wrong way, you could change them here. You could teach the system that right is to left. All right, overall, this thing is a really good. I like the whole effect that you do on this, especially if you're working just on your work. Look at this, just dragging anywhere you want. As long as you program it, you're gonna get the light effect, all right? But this has been a really good thing, especially if you're a gamer or just gonna watch movies and want more interaction and get your environment involved. This is a perfect way. Look at the lighting effects. So if you guys are looking for LED lights for your monitor, this is it. And these are a 30 for 30, 32 inches, but you can actually get different sizes too. And all you got to do is make sure you get the application connected to your computer or laptop, and you'll get the same effects. So overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is just a sample that we're looking at. If you're looking at movies, how it works.